What's up guys, Jessica here, and welcome back to another video. This week's video, as you guys know, is the last Friday of the month, which means it's the ThreadBeast unboxing week. I was blown out by last month's box, so I am totally looking forward to this one. I just hope they stop it with the freaking summer clothes. So if this is the first time you guys are watching this unboxing video, pretty much what it is, it's a subscription box for men clothing, which you get it once a month. There's 3 options, which is the basic, the premium, and the baller one. I actually do want to try the baller one, but the thing is that they don't have shoe size for me. Since it's a guy's box, they have like big shoe sizes. What I am already liking this. So you can check out their Instagram at ThreadBeast. Probably like move this back home. So for our first item, it's a jersey pretty much from Asphalt Yacht Club. So I've been getting a lot of these, not like these shirts, but I mean I've been getting a lot of from this brand. It's like camouflage, I guess. It's got pink, and you guys already know I am not super girly, so but I don't think this is like super male-ish either. Second item. So this is a long sleeve. It's just pretty much a long sleeve, black and gray, world renowned pigeon brand. I have no clue where that's from. Doesn't have a price either. It's just whatever's, I guess. Got jeans. So the thing with jeans that they send is that they're always sending freaking jeans with like a shitload of freaking buttons, which I do not like. So let's see what's going on this. Okay, so this is, I guess, just like regular jeans with only one freaking button, not like last time. But I think it's a little small though. So this is from, I have no idea where this is from. This is slim fit, so I am for sure not gonna fit on this. We got another shirt, which is just a plain khaki. Oh, just kidding. Oh, and I thought this was like a freaking tag. So this is what it has on the front. Not sure what that means. And then we've got a little bit better on the back. Not sure what that means either. Bro, don't even be telling me I be advertising stuff. And this is from nowhere. It says made in China. Then we've got another shirt. Shit, this is another long sleeve, I guess. Yeah, this is probably gonna fit good. I'm actually feeling this one. This is what it looks like on the front, and nothing on the back. We got another shirt. This is what it looks like on the front. Nature right here. Nothing on the back. And this is from Huff. And last, oh, this is gonna match perfectly with that long sleeve snapback. If you guys haven't noticed, I am a big fan of snapbacks. I have one right there, I have one right there, and I have a couple more over there. And then I keep saying I'm not gonna buy any, but unfortunately I keep on buying. That's it for this month's box. Definitely not like last month. That is it for this week's video. That is it for this month's ThreadBeast box unboxing. So make sure you guys like this video, share it with your family, share it with your friends, share it on your social media. And talking about social media, if you're not following me on my social media, make sure you guys do, which will be linked down below. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that little red button that's somewhere down below, and also while you're at it, hit that little bell to give you notifications when I post videos every Friday. And if you guys have any more ideas of what kind of videos I should make sure you guys comment down below and let me know. But that is it, and I'll see you guys next week with another video.